Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to stop Facebook from displaying posts you're tagged in on your page using the latest update on PC. If you've ever been tagged in something you'd rather keep off your profile, this setting will give you full control in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A small menu will expand, and you'll want to select Settings to access the full control panel for your account. Now, inside the Settings area, look for the section called Page and Tagging. This is where Facebook lets you manage who can interact with your timeline and how tagged content appears. Click into Page and Tagging, then scroll until you find the option labeled Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page. This is the exact setting that controls the visibility of tagged posts. Once you open that option, you'll see different audience choices. To completely prevent others from seeing posts you're tagged in, select Only Me. This ensures that even if someone tags you, the post won't be visible on your page to anyone else. After selecting Only Me, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. Without saving, the setting won't take effect. And that's it. From now on, any post you're tagged in will stay hidden from your page unless you decide otherwise. It's a simple way to keep your profile clean and under your control.